So you get to come into work, you get to work with your family every day. Like, that must be enjoyable. Maybe some days not as much.
My son and I, we get along unbelievable. My son's dedicated and he has a vision, and I'm the type of person that's always listening to what he has to say too to make the company better.
Hey, this is Greg with Contend Capital, and welcome to our Made in America tour. Today we're with Chad and Kyle Luganbuehl, the father-son duo of Centurn Machine here in Tallinn, Connecticut. So it all started with one machine. How quickly did things scale?
It was just after '08, and that was the crash. I hadn't been in business for 2 years. No one wanted to know who I was because they told me, you're out of your mind for going into business right now. Luckily enough, I was able to come up with enough money. I saved a lot, and I was able to purchase the 220 from Steve Gentle at DN Solutions. And then everything just really took off from there. And then I was standing around watching two machines. And my son was at a good age where he had started on the floor. I bought my third machine. And then my son and I were standing around wondering what to do when the machines were running. That's when I bought my fourth machine.
So once you get bored, that's when it's time.
That's when it's time. My son's dedicated and he has a vision. He's asked me a number of times, why are you doing it this way? Why don't we do it this way? That's what I want to hear. The younger generation, you know, we can do it a little bit quicker, a little bit faster and get the same result, same quality. That's what I want.
So how long have you been working here in the shop with your dad?
Probably 5 years now, right after college. I went to manufacturing school and got a certificate degree, probably 19, 20. And I was working part-time going to school as well, so.
You enjoy it?
Yeah, I do. Yeah. I've never been one to have a desk job, sit down, so it keeps me busy, you know. Yeah,
doing stuff.
and making different parts every day that go into the industry, and so it's cool.
We started working together probably 3 or 4 years ago.
4 years ago, I think.
Yeah.
When I met you guys at Contend, it was simple. The other finance companies, they'd send me a folder full of paperwork, and I met Contend, and it's one piece of paper in 10 minutes, you're approved.
Yeah.
And that's what we want. Keep it simple. With the other companies, they're great to me. Don't get me wrong, but they have to go through 6 or 7 different people to get what I need.
Yeah.
And it just wasn't what I wanted. It's just the small things that mean a lot. Take care of the people that take care of you.
Yeah.
Surround yourself with good people and you won't have a problem.
That's kind of how you've accumulated work, is just through relationships mainly. So your customers, your vendors, we got in touch through relationships. So
I've never gone out and found a customer. They've always found me. In this industry, there's probably 10 to 12 different companies. We're all friendly competitors. If we need something, we all help each other. That's why we're all successful.
So there you have it, Centurn Machine. If you're a growing manufacturer in need of financing, we're here to help. For more content showcasing American manufacturing, check out our next video.